Actually, it is, but only important that we begin this diplomatic outreach from France, because India and France, we do enjoy a very deep, strong strategic relationship. It could be in the area of AI, it could be in the area of defense, because even recently we have had our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji actually visiting France and chairing the conference on AI, artificial intelligence. Therefore, it is only apt that we start from here. And besides that, I think country after country has been suffering the scourge of terrorism. France has had its own share of experience with terrorism itself, and then we know England has, we know that USA has also faced the same, and therefore now it is very important and pertinent that the entire global fraternity speaks in one voice, raise their voice against terrorism. I think this is very important. And particularly, I think the brutality with which the Pahalgam had happened. This is not the first instance of terrorist attack that we have seen, but right from 1947, there has been terrorist attack after attack, which has been sponsored by the state from Pakistan, and therefore, but the brutality with which Pahalgam had happened, where 26 innocent civilians, including one Nepali citizen himself, was shot point blank in the head in front of the families. I think this is brutality at its height. So it is then that India has taken a stance where its response to terrorism has been very responsible, has been responsive, and not escalatory in the sense. But yes, we needed to send the message out very clear to Pakistan that India is no longer willing to bear up with the state-sponsored terrorism. That it is state-sponsored is very inevitably clear when we see the pictures of the terrorists who have been killed in the destruction that happened with the base camp, with the camps of the terrorists. We had their funerals being attended by top officials from Pakistan. So it's been very clear to the entire globe that this is a state-sponsored terrorism that India has been suffering. And India has been ravaged with this for decades after decades. So therefore, it is now time for India to actually go tell the entire international community that it is high time that we need to speak up in one voice against terrorism, because after all, it is this scourge that is not allowing our nations to actually grow and develop. So I think it is only apt that we begin our diplomatic tour from France, with whom we have a very, very deep relationship.